Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And, syempre, no, we need to know and establish the need of these people. No, yung kanilang mga hot buttons. No, what are these? Income, could be travel, could be health, recognition, etc. Now, ang negosyo ng LifeVantage or ng ibang direct selling business, simply, kung i-compare natin yan sa traditional business, parang jeep po yan, parang bus, parang tricycle. People, papasok, magsasaka yung driver, no? Magsasaka yung driver, yung pasahero bababa. Mauubos ang pasahero, correct? Pag hindi siya nagsakay, what happens? Sakita niya sa isang araw. Wala siya kikitain. So ang mga jeepney driver, ang mga bus driver, paulit-ulit siya. May bababa ng isa, magsasakay ng dalawa, magsasakay ng 5. Bababa ulit, magsasakay ulit. Miski na hindi na kasya sa loob ng jeep, sakay pa rin ng pasakay. Correct? So, ganun din dito sa business natin. We need to learn to invite people to join your business. Okay? So, that's the first things to make your business successful. Okay? Number 2. Anong sabi dyan? Can you show the business independently? Now guys, this is important. Okay? We really need to learn how to show the opportunity effectively. Okay? Paano? One-on-one meetings, home meetings, or mga big meetings like our roadshow. Okay? Now, bakit natin kailangan tong mga meetings na to, especially yung mga big meetings? This is where, kung nahihirapan kang mapayes yung recruit mo, the roadshow or the big meetings will definitely help you get that yes. Kasi doon sa mga big meetings na yun, nakikita ng mga guests ninyo yung need. No, we are able to show, no, collectively we are able to show yung need, yung solution to the need, and we can help them make the decision. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay? Okay. Now, guys, ito yung very critical, lalo na po sa atin, lalo na sa mga nag-start, no? You really need to learn to show the business. Okay? Huwag po tayong umasa kay Upline. Okay? Kasi si Upline, meron din sariling, no? Meron din siyang sariling pinapresenta. No? Pag in-invite mo siya, maaaring hindi siya available kasi meron siyang previous na appointment. So just like you, ganun din siya, no? Naghahanap din siya ng kanyang personal mga teams, no? So you as an individual, as a LifeVantage distributor, it is your responsibility to show the business independently. So paano mo gagawin 'yan, no? Patulong ka lang kay Upline, number 1. Tignan mo lang kung ano yung ginagawa niya regularly. Kasi paulit-ulit naman po ito eh. Tama mo ba? Paulit-ulit po ito eh. Itong business po na to. You really need to learn how to introduce the company. That's the first. Kasi yung presentation naman natin, kung napansin niyo, 3 parts lang naman eh. The company, the product, and the opportunity. Okay? So yung tatlong yun ang kailangan ma-master mo. Hindi naman kayo isasabak or isasalang kagad-agad, no? Stage by stage yan. Siguro ang mabibigay kong tip is number 1, you learn how to introduce the company. Di ba? Sa isang meetings, mag-present ka, magtaas ka ng kamay. Coach Jasper, ako mag-introduce ng company next presentation. Okay po ba sa inyo? Papayag yan. Papayag siya. Okay? Di ba? So, i-introduce mo lang shortly yung company. Then the next step is you should be able to learn how to show the product. Di ba? Maybe the next month, product naman, nag-present ka. Oh, I'll be showing a short, brief introduction of the product. And then eventually, nakumpleto mo yung 3 parts. Then that will help you show the business effectively and you can show the business independently. No? Nag-guess nyo yung strategy kung paano. Now, wag po kayong mahiyang magsalita in front. Okay? Kasi yung mga ini-invite nyo din, syempre, nai-impress sila, uy, No? Si Ellie nagsasalita in front. Kaya ko din yun. You know? People like, and syempre, they will follow what they see. No? And yung iba, gustong-gusto sa totoo lang magsalita sa harapan. Nahihiya lang sila initially. Pero once nahawakan nila yung mic, believe me, hindi nila bibitawan yan. Okay? Sa umpisa lang sila nahihiya. Okay? So, ito, critical po ito, lalo na sa business natin. We should be able to show this business independently. No? Without your sponsor. And that is how to grow your business. Okay? Kailangan ma-duplicate mo yun. Okay? So, critical po yan. Okay? Next. Number 3. Getting people started at some level. Okay? So, people without products are destined to fail. Now, our business, syempre may products tayo. Kung walang produkto, walang business. Automatic po yun. Okay? Pag walang tao, syempre wala din tayo business. So, it works hand in hand. Okay? And as a distributor, we should be making an investment dun sa product. Dapat meron tayong stock ready on hand. Okay? Mahirap pong sumabak sa gera ng walang baril. Do you agree? Yes, di ba? So, paano natin makukonvince yung isang guest natin kung wala tayong dalang produkto? Ang unang-una nilang tatanungin, nasan yung produkto? Tama? So, dapat at least meron kayong isa bawat produkto sa inyong bag. Okay? So, kung wala tayong produkto, wala tayong mapapakita. And namimiss natin yung opportunity nung araw na yon or nung time na yon na posibleng makuha niya yung product na tipid mo. Okay? So, importante po yan. Okay? And, syempre, you should be able to show the income potential. Okay? So, yan po yan. Next. Napaka-importante po ng training. Napakaswerte po ninyo kasi merong ganitong programa. Yung grupo ni Sir Jasper. Okay, napakaswerte po ninyo. No? Napaka-importante po itong ganitong gathering. Kasi number 1, yung training, alam naman natin na napaka-importante sa isang negosyo. Lalo na yung palitan po ng experiences. No, napaka-importante po yan. So, you should be thankful to your upline for doing this. Okay? Next, it's about training. Obviously, it's absorption of information. Okay? So, maganda rin po na nasi-share sa atin yung iba-ibang information. Kasi itong mga information na sinishare sa inyo is based on their experiences. No, hindi na po ito libro. Based on experience po ito na sinishare sa inyo. Okay? And, syempre, training. After training, you learn this by doing. Kailangan gawin mo yung natutunan mo sa training. Never naging effective ang training pag hindi mo siya ginawa. Okay? Itong training na ginagawa natin na to, I assure you guys, pag hindi niyo siya ginawa, you'll never become successful in this business. Yung sinishare ko sa inyo. Okay? Next. Number 5 na po tayo, no? And, pinaka-importanting part din ng ating business is taking your next step. Okay? Huwag po kayong mag-enjoy sa inyong current rank. Kasi may mas magaganda pong rank na available dyan na mas magaganda po yung privileges. Okay? Do you agree?
Yes.
Huwag po kayong mag-enjoy. Yung iba nag-enjoy sa Pro 2, Pro 3, Pro 4. May mga higher rank po na mas magaganda po yung opportunity. Okay? Lalo na po doon sa mga bago. No? Doon sa mga bago natin. Ang goal mo is to take your next step. Kung ikaw ay Pro 1 ngayon, take your next step, Pro 2. And then you get the incentives given to Pro 2. After that, you take the next step, Pro 3, and then Pro 4, and then Pro 5. Kasi ang daming window na mag-open sa iyo if you rank up. Okay? Huwag po kayo masyadong mag-enjoy sa inyong current position. Okay? You take your next step. Okay? Aim for all the areas of income in LifeVantage. Dapat po yan na ma-maximize ninyo. You qualify in all incentives and contests. Yung mga contest na po yan, kinrate po yan for your taking. Okay? Dapat po na-experience niyo yan. And dapat na-share nyo sa inyong team. Okay? Pinagmamayabang ninyo yung mga incentives na na-achieve po ninyo. Okay? Now, I'm going to ask you, what do you think is the most important event in LifeVantage? Can someone answer this for me, please? What do you think is the most important event in LifeVantage? Yes, ma'am.
Trainings po.
Trainings, pwede.
Awarding.
Awarding, pwede.
Share.
Sharing, pwede.
Invite.
Event kung saan ikaw yung
Rank.
Okay. Just to make it short, tignan ko ba kung mag-agree kayo sa akin kung ito yung the most important event in LifeVantage. Do you agree? Yes! Diba? It should be everybody's goal to have a daily, to have a weekly, to have a monthly commission. Diba? Yan dapat. No? Yung punta ka na, yung growth summit, bonus na lang po yun. Pero ang number one goal po natin lahat is dapat meron kang araw-araw na kinikita doing LifeVantage. Dapat meron kang weekly commission. Dapat meron kang monthly commission. Di ba? Yan ang pinaka-importanting event sa LifeVantage. Hindi po yung mga international travel. Hindi po. Bonus na lang po yun. Icing on the cake na lang po yun. Ang dapat tinatrabaho natin is dapat itong araw na to, ito ang kitain ko sa LifeVantage. Itong araw na to, kahapon kumita ako ng 3,000. Dapat ngayon naka 4,000 ako. Dapat ganun ang mindset. Okay? Dati-dati, guys, I don't know if you will agree with me. Yung ibang company, dati pinagmamayabang nga yung daily income nila. Di ba? Dati-dati, yung weekly income nila, pinagmamayabang, ginagawa pa nila ng malaking cheque. Correct?
Yes.
Dati-dati, no, yung monthly income nila, pinagmamayabang nila. Napakalaking cheque kasi laki halos nito. Pinagmamayabang nila sa team. Correct?
Yes.
Kasi yun ang importante talaga. No? Everybody should be working towards getting a daily commission, a weekly commission, and a monthly commission. And we have that in LifeVantage. All you have to do is what?
Work for it.
Work for it. Correct? So, yan po. So, siguro, baguhin natin yung mindset. No? Kasi dati, kung ang ginagawa natin, nakafocus tayo on, kunyari, nakafocus ako ng US. US lang, US. Ako, nag-deny ako. Patay na, bumagsak na. No? Nawala na, nakalimutan na to. Di ba? Pero kung yan ang goal mo, araw-araw, you're earning, yung iba dito, earning 2,000, 3,000 daily. Miski na-deny sila ng visa, tuwa-tuwa pa rin. Kasi they're earning 2,000, 3,000 daily. Correct?
Correct.
O yan. So, yan po, change natin yung mindset. No? Gawin natin, ang goal natin is to have a daily, weekly, and monthly commissions with LifeVantage. Dapat yun ang nakafocus. Okay po ba yun?
Yes.
Okay. So, these are the 5 steps